The restoration means the second floor courtroom now looks as it did during its heyday, when criminal trials made national news in the early 20th century.
The courtroom was the location of some interesting court cases. Many historians point to the 1947 murder trial of Dr. Lloyd T. Ross. Dr. Ross was charged with killing 4 members of the Willard York family on a country road in western Comal County after a deal gone bad. According to court records, the lone survivor of the family, 13-year-old Ann York, testified that Dr. Lloyd T. Ross was indeed the man who brutally shot and killed her mother, father, brother, and grandmother.
In 1929, Comal County hosted the retrial of the Flapper Bandit, who robbed a bank at gunpoint in Buda. If she had been convicted, she could have been sentenced to death, and the idea of a young woman committing a violent crime made national headlines. She was found not guilty by reason of insanity.
The remainder of the 20th century saw everything from simple cosmetic changes to more necessary technological upgrades.
Over the years, as our county grew, we had different additions to our courthouse to make do with our growing needs.
The interior of the building had been modified with drop-down ceilings and plaster walls and different kinds of flooring.
Whenever you get into a project like this and you have a building that is this old, that has been modified and changed as many times as it was, you're going to have those challenges.
The courtroom now hosts the weekly meetings of the Commissioner's Court, and the courthouse also hosts tax sales, foreclosures, probate court, and other county business.